Ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is linguini. The linguini's shooting the bird. But at what though, huh? Oh, in the distance, yes. As we see. It's like, fuck you, you can't get to me. F you, there's no getting to me. It's all this rubbish. I'm protected. Masterclass linguini. The bird. We'll call this the constant bird. The middle finger, you can't get me. Ain't no getting me. I'm telling you. What's going on back here is war, ladies and gentlemen. Not only linguinis are doing their thing, however, they're at war. What do you have to say about it, Mr. Ooh. Is that an alligator? Ooh. They're hungry for linguinis, yes they are. Alligators in the mist, eating linguinis. Patiently he'll wait. Successful? Probably not. Take that finger once again. Big linguini.